In this video about Google Classroom, you'll learn how to use the archiving function to temporarily hide a class from students if you need to make sure that they cannot access the class for any reason for a period of time. Then after that period of time has expired, you can restore the class, giving the students and you full access to that same class again. So in this example, I have a Google Classroom in front of me, and I see that one of my students has turned in a writing assignment. And it's at this point that student still does have the ability to unsubmit that work. So I really want to make sure that they don't have access to this. So I'm going to go to the upper left hand corner and click the menu and click Classes. Here is my class, and I'm going to click the three dots and use the archive function. Click Archive, and it basically confirms for you what's going to happen. Says you and your students won't be able to make changes. You can view this class in the archived classes in the classroom menu and still find all of your class files back in your Google Drive. So I'll click Archive. It tells me that it's archiving, and you can see the class completely disappeared. Now, if I were to log on as a student in the classroom, I would not see that class. It is not available to me. So for me as the teacher, where I can find this archived class is back up in the upper left menu, slide all the way down to the bottom where you see archived classes. And there it is right there. So think of the archived class area as like a little holding tank where it's still there, it's just kind of dormant, if you will. So once a time period has passed where you're ready to release that information to the students again, you can click on the three dots, click Restore. It tells you and your students will be able to interact with this class again. Click Restore, and now this is a fully active class that can be accessed by you and your students.